Hi everyone. It's very difficult for me to make this video from Kozhikode, Kerala. The state of Kerala is facing its toughest time. Continuous rains has caused the biggest disaster the state has ever seen. Large number of people lost their lives, homes and belongings. There are many whose whereabouts are not known. Many are in rescue shelters and many are yet to be rescued. The government is doing its best possible to come out of this crisis. Let's join hands with the government of Kerala in this massive operation. I am donating a part of this month's YouTube revenue to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund and also doing all possible help I can to the people affected. Any little help from you guys will change many lives. Please come forward and do donate whatever you can to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund. It will help to rebuild many lives. Every single rupee counts. The link to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund will be updated below this video. Thank you for your love and support. Jai Hind.